Not quite sure on the year yet, but it's definitely looking 1800s, and there's some writing, so we're gonna get that figured out. But I was digging up at Target and this popped out. What are the chances? Here's another pretty cool walk up. So I got a Target right here. It's rather shallow, and I actually can see it, but I'm going to show you. That's crazy how shallow that was. Second outing with the new Minelab, and well, new to me, as I keep saying, because they have newer versions of what I have. But anyways, got this little lock front, pretty cool. There's some things I just didn't get on video. You know, I'm still trying to get used to the machine, and while I'm trying to do that and try to make videos, it's just kind of hard. And got a piece of lead right there, and flat button, no shank, and we got a musket round ball. Extremely small. I mean, look how small this railroad spike is. That's crazy. And then this bottle, it's a Perry Davis vegetable painkiller bottle. And what's really cool is he's the one that dubbed Painkiller. So really awesome history. Here's the base right here. And you know, from what I've researched, that base dates from 1860s to 1880s. Nonetheless, it was a great time, fun time out with the machine, and I'm learning more and more. Each time it's always, you know, towards the end of the day, I figure something big out for myself, but I'm loving it, and can't wait to get out for the next adventure. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.